In this video we're going to look at dividing surds. Now if you have a fraction within a root, we can switch that to two roots being divided. Likewise, if we have two roots being divided, we can switch that to a fraction within a root. And we're going to use these properties to simplify these questions. So let's look at this, the square root of 16 over 9. So I'm going to switch that into two smaller roots and have them divided. Here, root 16 divided by root 9. Root 16 is 4 and root 9 is 3. The second one, I have two roots being divided, so I'm going to put that into one big root, and inside the root is going to be my fraction. 54 divided by 6. Now 54 divided by 6 I can simplify, that gives me 9, and the square root of 9 is 3. Okay, a lot simpler than what we had before. Last question, 12 root 24 divided by 2 root 3. Well, first I'm going to write that as a fraction, and then I'm going to look to simplify the roots and simplify the whole numbers. So 10 divided by 2 is 5, and then I can make the two roots become 1, putting the fraction inside. Okay, and now let's do that simplifying inside the root, that becomes 8. Now, I should check to see if 8 can be simplified further. Well, 4 is a square number and that divides into 8, so I'm going to put 4 times 2. And I can separate this one square root into 2 and put the multiplying outside. And root 4 is 2. Root 2 is a surd, so that's going to stay the same. And I can do 5 times 2 is 10, and 10 times root 2 is 10.